Apple's flagship iPhone X was the world's best-selling smartphone model in the first quarter with 16 million units sold, as said by Strategy Analytics, with iPhone 8 and 8 Plus taking second and third place. This further debunks the notion that the iPhone X was a flop or a failure, which was conventional wisdom as recently as the end of April. In addition, the top 4 models in the world, both in terms of shipment amounts and market share, are iPhones, with the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus taking second and third place. The report also found that a total of 345 million smartphone units were sold globally in the first quarter. The top Android models were the Xiaomi Redmi 5A and Samsung's Galaxy S9 Plus. Apple does not release individual model figures on iPhone sales, but the company said in this week's earnings that it sold 52.2 million iPhones, and that the iPhone X sold the most units out of any iPhone model throughout the quarter. Directly quoting Apple CEO Tim Cook, "Customers chose iPhone X more than any other iPhone each week in the March quarter, just as they did following its launch in the December quarter. Since we split the line with the launch of iPhone 6 and 6 Plus in 2014, this is the first cycle in which the top-of-the-line iPhone model has also been the most popular." Strategy Analytics said that the iPhone X remains the world's most popular smartphone model overall, due to a blend of good design, sophisticated camera, extensive apps, and widespread retail presence for the device. Apple has now shifted almost 50 million iPhone X units worldwide since the commercial launch in November 2017. The iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus shipped 12.5 and 8.3 million units respectively for second and third place. The previous generation iPhone 7 shipped a respectable 5.6 million units for fourth place. Combined together, Apple today accounts for 4 of the world's 6 most popular smartphone models. Just behind the iPhone 7 at 5.4 million, we have the Xiaomi Redmi 5A, an entry-level smartphone for first-time buyers, and then the Galaxy S9 Plus with 5.3 million units sold. It's important to note that the Galaxy S9 Plus was released just about 3 weeks prior to the end of the first quarter, so it's impressive that it made it onto the list. We ran a full range of tests between the iPhone X and the Galaxy S9 Plus. If you want to check those out, including our full detailed comparison and analysis, click the card above. So what do you think? Are you surprised that the iPhone X did so well after all the negative press? Let us know in the comment section below.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.